Hello, my name is Kurtis Dawe. I'm a character modeler and I currently work at Scanline Studios. Been working on a couple cool movies there. In the past, I've worked on movies like Dumbo and Godzilla and Lion King, where I made Dumbo and Dumbo's mom with a couple other artists. Pumbaa for Lion King, and sculpted a couple of creatures for the new Godzilla King of Monsters movie. Yeah, so today we're going to be focusing on creating an original concept based on animals that exist on Earth. And a good way to do that is to start looking at animal skulls and think about, different shapes of different skulls. We don't want to imagine anything out of thin air. We want to base it on reality. That way we get a really interesting, cool-looking animal that looks believable rather than totally fantastical. So, I hope you guys stay tuned and, we'll do this together. It'll be fun.